Hello everyone, I'm going to explain you a little bit about our research paper, the methodology. We use a questionnaire, which was the principal instrument, and we did a quantitative study. We have two research questions. The first one, why do some students dislike reading in their second language? And the second one, what are the factors that affect a student's feeling about second language reading? Okay, the participants were three groups from 4 years of bachelor degree in English in a private university. They have taken English didactics subject, and the population were 38 participants. And the results will be generalized because all the participants were chosen for having the same level of English, and the questionnaire were answered through Google Forms, which is a website used to create polls, survey, and questionnaires. The materials were human and technological that permitted us to collect information of the participant of bachelor degree in English. We used a virtual questionnaire, the procedures that we did. We shared an online questionnaire to the teachers who were in charge of each group. The questionnaire contained 20 questions. Then the teacher shared the questionnaire to all the students. The population were 38 participants, and the information was collected through Google Form automatically. Okay, and the results. Here we report all the results of the virtual survey and a short analysis about it. And we did a tabula in which we describe the question, the number of participants, and the level of English of the students. And in this tabula, we represent the level of agreement of the participants were according each questions. For example, in the first tabula, we have the first questions, I like reading, and 35 participants said that they are agree, and 3 said that they are disagree, and so on with the rest of the statements or questions. Okay, discussion responding to the two questions. And the first one, why do some students dislike reading in their second language? And in this part, according to the data collected, in which 35 of the participants like reading and 3 of them dislike reading, analyzing the result, it is because they prefer the reading according to their enjoyable activities or for their own interest. We concluded with this after reading all the results of the survey that we did. And the second question, what are the factors that affect a student's feelings about second language reading? Okay, according to the data obtained in the survey, we analyzed 4 factors. Okay, the first one, we determined that the students have a strong attitude toward reading in English instead of their first language. And the second, strategies used and beliefs. Here, most of the participants agree that reading is to understand in order to understand better reading text, and they get tired while reading a long text. Okay, number 3, purposes. According to the data collected, not all students have the same purposes while learning in both languages. And number 4, motivation. The students are more motivated when they read in English instead of their first language. Conclusion. To conclude, based on the results, the 38 participants showed a positive attitude regarding reading in general. Furthermore, one of the factors that causes students dislike reading is the anxiety they feel when they don't understand a word or a sentence, or when they are reading long text. And also, some factors can affect participants' feelings toward reading, but the results show that the students have a high motivation when they on purpose is reading for entertainment.